Can't you see? It's the plant, man! The plant!
We gotta get him to sneeze it out.
I was always afraid it was too good to last. And whether you think we're your family or not, if this is something that will make you happy, we'll get you that wish.
Can we hug and get back together?
I've had enough!
So I gonna redecorating the thing because it's a huge mess.
I'd rather leave my drone today than in a box tomorrow. I made buttons.
Booger.
Is that supposed to be some kind of dog?
I don't know. Maybe I should take more risks. Truth is, there's nothing I can do about a haunting. Uh-oh.
This is incredible!
Oh, then all is forgiven.
Oh ho ho, what a good boy am I.